Page 30. We have rock climbing and chord cakewalk. I'm going to cover them both here because they're similar to each other. In rock climbing, they say round hand, a relaxed hand. Rock climbing, this is an example of tied notes. When you have more than one note at a time, a chord, and each note has to be tied or not. Well, here, the right hand, you're going to play a C chord, C, E, and G, but you see, and now the C is tied, you add the E to it. Now they're both tied, add the G to it. That's all we're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then go down. Hold that down, add the E, and hold that down, add the C. I'm just, again, it's weight. Except once you push a note down, it takes no effort at all to hold it down. You don't have to push it into the floor. Just relax. You're fine. It'll stay down. Now you're adding, so add that weight to that one. Now I got the weight on 2 fingers. And again, I'm not pushing down on them. I'm just kind of resting there, and I can add the 3rd finger. If I could hit it. And that's how we're doing it. You stay relaxed. The left hand is here. Relax, and just add weight to this finger. See, I'm not transferring weight from finger to finger. I'm keeping weight on a finger once it's down. I'm just adding weight to another finger. It's like you're standing on one leg and then you suddenly stand on 2 legs. That's all I'm doing. It's here and now here. Add a 3rd finger. Then go down. Yeah, that's all rock climbing is about. Let's talk chord cakewalk and see what we get here. We have these chords. And the right hand sometimes has this chord. And that's it. It's 2 lines long. They have a reverse repeat sign at the beginning. I strongly disagree with that. I would prefer you take a pencil and cross that sign out. It's silly, in my opinion. I would not put it there. I don't know why they're doing it, but they're doing it. Faber does this. They're the only ones that do this that I've found so far, fortunately. But 4/4 time, and we're just half notes. 1. Now, remember, all notes go down at the same time. You're lowering the whole hand down and let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't stiffen up. I got to get them down at the same time. I got to hold this. No, you're going to hold this, but you're going to be relaxed as you do. Just lower the weight down. Lower the hand down. It takes time, and you have to listen very carefully to get the notes down at the same time. Then the right hand, same thing. See, those were not at the same time. Did you notice? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move the right hand up here. And then here. Then you'd repeat it and do the whole thing again. Now remember, when a repeat sign, it means you go back to the last reverse repeat sign. And if there isn't one, then you go back to the beginning. That's why you don't need a reverse repeat sign at the beginning. You're going to go there anyway. So just, ugh. Anyway, you're going to play it twice. That's what they're saying. And first measure is loud. Well, then you connect these. It doesn't say to do anything. I'm just saying connect them. And then staccato. I'm on it. Just bouncing off. Loud. Stay loud. Repeat, you're loud, of course. Okay. I did kind of articulation and dynamics at the same time. I do that sometimes. I'm old, I get confused. Then the speed. Well, steady isn't a speed. Steady is what you do all the time. I hope. You decide how fast you want the quarter notes to go. Just think left, right. It's a walk. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Let's play it together slowly and check that you have the right notes and all. I'm not doing the louds and softs, but I will do the staccatos and we will do the repeat. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a duet for this at the bottom. I'd like to play that. And you play the cakewalk thingy. I'm going to give us 4 counts. I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So just pretend that middle C on the keyboard, instead of this C, pretend it's this C. And instead of here, you're here. Play it here. And the right hand goes up to here. Play it up here. Because the duet part's got this stuff down here. I'll give us 4 counts. We will do the repeat. 1, 2, ready, go.